Parties are the perfect chance to connect with people, celebrate the good times, and make memories that last. And in these fun, energetic settings, using some lively English expressions can really help break the ice, spark conversations, and keep the good vibes going. Let's start with a classic. Let's get this party started. This upbeat phrase is the ultimate way to kick off any celebration and get everyone in the mood to have fun. It sets the tone and invites everyone to dive into the festivities. Another fun one is, "What's the scoop?" It's a laid-back way to ask someone what's new or exciting in their life. It shows you're interested in what they have to say, and that you're ready to chat. When you really want to listen, saying, "I'm all ears," lets people know you're fully tuned in. It's a great way to encourage someone to open up and share. "Cheers to good times" is perfect when raising a glass. It's a simple, heartfelt toast that celebrates being together and making great memories. Now, if someone cracks a hilarious joke or tells a funny story, responding with, "You crack me up," shows you're genuinely entertained. It keeps the laughter going and invites more good humor. For those chill moments, you might say, "Let's kick back and relax." It's an invitation to slow down and enjoy the moment, ideal for more laid-back party vibes. Wondering what's next on the agenda? Try, "What's the plan for tonight?" It opens up the floor for ideas and gets everyone involved in deciding what to do. Heard an exciting idea? Responding with, "Count me in," shows enthusiasm and your willingness to join the fun. It's a great way to build group energy. If someone's on fire with jokes or fun stories, say, "You're on a roll." It's a great way to keep the momentum going and let them know they're killing it. Feeling the music? Shout, "Let's hit the dance floor," to rally the group and get everyone moving. It's a fun, energizing way to shift the vibe up a notch. During those especially fun moments, you might hear or say, "This is a blast." A simple way to show you're loving every minute. And if you're not ready for the night to end, saying, "I could do this all night," lets everyone know how much fun you're having. In the end, using fun, casual English expressions at parties doesn't just make you sound natural. It helps everyone loosen up, feel welcome, and enjoy the moment. So next time you're at a party, try out a few of these phrases and see how they help spark smiles and conversations.